Hello, hello, hello. Dito na naman kami. At mayroong pusa dyan. Kasi magpa-vaccine kami ng 3 pusa. Ay, nako. Last day. Yan, 2 na. Kulang 1. And then after that, we have 7 more to go. Wala pa akong tulog guys. But as you can see, napapanuklay ako. Wait. Siyempre, gansang-gansang pa rin ha. Di bali na. Yan. Ako, iron ako sa aking hair. So, medyo presentable siya today. Look at your face. Look at your ugly face. Guys, palpak. Hindi pala ngayon yung check-up nila. Bukas pala. And we already have stressed out the cats.
What did you
I feel so guilty.
When you went in, what did you say? They're here for
Yeah. And the guy was kind of like confused. He said, oh, actually, your appointment is going to be tomorrow. Like, what? That cats are already stressed out in the car. Can you see us today? Like, Mom, so sorry, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, so tomorrow then, we'll just bring 2 cats tomorrow. Right?
And then what did they say? Yep, no problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Did you have to specify which 2 or just 2?
Tiny and this guy. Okay, face the camera. Look. Look how ugly you are. Don't meow because the world would know. Huh? It's okay, baby boy. It's okay. It's okay.
By the way,
Why,
they had sent him home.
Who?
Phoebe, they had sent him home with some gabapentin on Friday,
Oh,
which is pain medicine, huh?
so why didn't you tell me? Hello, hello. Kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn again. Tapos, nandito na ang aking bougainvillea at nag-start na din siyang gagawa ng flowers. Kaya lang, gusto ko siya na magiging bonsai. So, iwan ko kung tama ba itong gagawin ko na puputulan ko siya ng galamay. Ewan ko lang. Yan. Para hindi siya masyadong magiging malaki. But I really have no idea if I'm doing this right. Tama ba kaya itong ginagawa ko? Yan. Tapos, tatanim ko lang ito dito sa gilid-gilid kung I really do not know. I don't think this would thrive. Yan. Tapos, siguro ito tatanggalin ko din para lang talaga siya magiging bonsai. Yan. Parang nagigilty ako na putulan siya kasi wala ito dito. Walang bougainvillea dito sa Amerika. Kaya lang gusto ko talaga na magiging bonsai siya. So, ewan ko. Hopefully this would work out. Yan. Siguro puputulin ko din ito. Tingnan lang natin kung tama ba, gagana ba itong style ko. Tapos itanim lang natin siya dito and hopefully ay tutubo siya. Okay, and I'm going to water my plants now.
Stuff in here though, that's the problem. I want to fill up, see how there's like a gap. I want to put soil up against it so that the water pulls away, especially in the winter. You don't want water getting under and then freezing. So what I want to do is I'll get a little bit of dirt. Quit making it wet. I'm going to put pack dirt in there, and then, but you're destroying my work already. I haven't even started. See that? That's what I'm trying to do. So I put in a nice, clean looking, get the stamper out, try to get out the stamper.
But then,
What?
you'll break your back.
Quit getting it wet in there. I need to do my work there. Yeah. Right down here, I need to put in,
So sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang hakot ng soil kasi mabigat yan tapos mabangin pa ang likod mo. Nako, dalawa na tayong baldado. Wow, it's really a big gash now.
huh? It's wet.
The leak?
I know, you want me to go get another?
What's up there?
We really need another, and then maybe a more soil or something, a couple more of a soil. So what did you plant over here? I don't know what I can take out, because, I don't know what that is. You want me to go get a more soil? I'll get a more soil or two.
Okay.
I mainly I need to fill in this gap, though, for sure. That's the whole idea. I don't know. Do I feel like getting it? I don't know. Not really. I don't feel like getting it now.
So mga ilang araw din na hindi kami nakabalik dito kasi nung isang araw may ulan. Tapos I was not really feeling well the past few days. So yun, nagmukmuk lang ako dun sa aming kwarto sa kabilang bahay. Itong mga roses ko, hindi pa talaga sila naka-overcome galing sa pagkain ng mga deer sa kanilang mga buds. So wala pang mga bagong buds yung nanunubo dyan. Tapos na-fertilize ko na sila mga more than 10 days ago. So siguro bukas magpe-fertilize na naman ako. And dito sa kabilang bahay kailangan ko talaga mag-fertilize din. At saka maglagay ng mga pesticides kasi kawawa talaga. Ang dami talagang ang mga buslot-buslot nung nung dahon nila, and it was very obvious that it's sickly. So yung mga roses ko noon ay ganito sila kaganda nung bago ko pang tinanim. O diba? Cuttings pala yun, guys. Kinat ko lang tapos tinanim ko temporarily nang tumubo na tinanim ko doon sa ground na talaga. Tapos ito na siya ngayon, para ng kalabera. Kailangan ko na talagang alagaan ito, kawawa. Yan, update sa ating Miss Calamansi. Tingnan natin kung may bago ba siyang bunga. Alright. Let's see. 1. Yan, may isa. 2. Yan, 2. Hala! 3. May maliit na bunga dyan, Yan. 3. And then, so 3 na yan. And then, 4. Yan, 4. May maliit na butitit na bunga siya. So, 4. And then we have 5. Yan, 5. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Seriously, dude? 6, 7. Uy, 7 na sila. Tapos meron pang mga newcomers. Yan, 2 dyan. Hopefully ito din dito. Yan. So far 7. Oh my gosh. What a blessing. Diba nakakatuwa pag yung tinanim mo ay namumunga at last? Diba? Oh my gosh. Very good, girlie. Keep up the good work, okay? Keep on giving us fruits. Yee! At saka yung mga bunga dyan, I'm sure hindi pa yan mature kasi maliliit pa, but hihintayin ko talaga sila na magiging yellow before ko pipitasin. Oh my goodness. You know what guys? It's been a while. Kailan ba yung last na garden ako? Of course, doon sa dyan sa old house namin, may garden ako na ngayon na pabayaan ko na. Tapos doon sa Philippines, may garden din ako. When I moved from the city to our town, may orchids ako. Tapos yun, pag lipat ko dito, nawala na din sila. Ay mayroon pa palang naiwan. Itong mga halaman na ito o remnants yan ng mga halaman ko before I left the Philippines in 2007. So yan, oh yeah, inarrange lang ng sister-in-law ko, but yeah, I planted those trees. Wow, buhay pa after 19 years. Woot woot woo. Tapos yan pa oh, yung katabi ng cutie patuti ko na pamangkin dyan sa right. Anong tawag dyan, sampagita? Kasi sa amin meron ding kalachuchi. Ang tree next to the kalachuchi is actually a balete tree. Tutubo yan ng napakalaking kahoy. Tapos binili ko yan bonsai sa maliit. Maliit ba na pot? Tapos transfer ko. I transferred it on the ground before I left on 2007. Tapos parang pa din, bonsai pa din. Linagyan ko ng boundary ba? Cement boundary. Tapos transfer nila yan. I hope they know what they're doing because it will really become so huge. Tapos ayan, nandyan na naman yung cutie patuti kong pamangkin. Tapos yun yung kalachuchi on her left. Tapos, ay naku, kinuha nila siguro yung mansanitas ko at saka fern tree yung nasa right. But I planted them before I left here in the US. Yung lumboy ko, itong kahoy na ito, tinanim ko yan in 2012 nung umuwi ako dyan sa Pilipinas. Under construction pa yung bahay namin dyan. Tapos, yeah, guava, sinanim ko din nung umuwi ako in 2012. Oh my gosh, nakakamiss. Ito talaga yung mga treasure na naiwan ko sa Pilipinas. Oh. Ito side yard ng original na bahay ko na binigay ko na sa kapatid ko. Oh my gosh, hindi ko't mga tanim yan. But namimiss ko talaga yung mga bulaklak ko at tanim ko dyan. And yan yung talagang mga treasures ko na naiwan ko dyan sa Pilipinas na gusto kong gunitain at babalikan. Mga tanim, mga tanim. Pero thankful pa rin ako sa Panginoon kasi, naka-gardening din ako dito. Tapos, meron na siyang bunga. Ang ganda talaga ng feeling pag yung tinanim mo ay may bunga na, diba? So, Pero ang pinakauna ko talaga na vegetable, I think, was malunggay when I was still in elementary. Nagtanim ako ng malunggay. So, 7 so far, plus upcoming buds and fruits. So, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ito talaga as useless. Walang kaano-ano. Ewan ko kung paano to siya pabubungahin. Sabi nung kaibigan ko, may ganito daw din siya. Tapos binigay na lang niya. Kasi hindi namumunga. Sayang pag hindi ka mamumunga. Tapos ito, slowly recovering. Kasi may fruit na siya, oh. Yan, 1. And then, 2. Yeah, parang dalawa lang ata yung fruit niya. Mayroon pang isa. 3. Okay. Continue mo lang yung ha. Give us more fruits. And this time, wag tart. Wag maasim. Kailangan matamis. Okay? Kawawa yung mga leaves niya. Ay, nako. But anyway. Yan po. Yung ganap natin sa ating garden. Alright, punta tayo doon sa taas. Si ating Rose of Sharon ay namatay yung kanyang bud. Bakit? Anong nagawa ko sa'yo at namatay ka? May aphids siya. Oh no, hindi siya aphids. Parang simento na tapunan siya ng simento. But at least may mga bulbs siya. Yan Tsaka, yeah. So hopefully, it will give us more flowers. Nasira na talaga ang ating hose at saka ating sprinkler, ang ating wand kasi ginamit nila ito sa semento kaya yan ang napala mo. But anyway, Yan, very protective yung ama. Yan yung pusa na nagkasakit. Tapos, sinabi ko na, dali mo sa labas para maka-ano siya ng fresh air. Sabi niya, wag kasi baka magkakuto, blah 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 blah. Tingnan yung ama. Sabi niya, gwardiyahan mo. Sabi ko, bakit ko gwardiyahan? Yan. Ayaw niya talagang iwanan, guys. Ganyan talaga siya sa lahat ng mga pusa namin. Tapos,